In this video, we are going to learn how you can get Slack notifications for new OfficeRnD companies. So whenever a new company is created in your workspace management software application, that is OfficeRnD, automatically the same company details will be shared with your team on your Slack channel as a new message. For that, you need to integrate OfficeRnD with Slack. So here your trigger application would be OfficeRnD and your action application would be Slack. So how you can integrate both these software applications using Pabbly Connect? For that, you need to come to my screen. To get notifications on Slack for new OfficeRnD companies, first we need to log into pabbly.com. This is the website of Pabbly. Now here we can find two options, sign in, sign up free. If you're a new user, you have to simply click on sign up for free button and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes and you're going to get free tasks every month. If you're already a user of Pabbly Connect, simply sign in. From the All Apps section, access Pabbly Connect. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, click on this plus sign, create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Get Slack notification for new OfficeRnD companies. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on Create. Now we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this particular use case, we want that whenever a new company is created in your OfficeRnD account, automatically your team should get a notification on the Slack channel. For that, first we need to integrate OfficeRnD with Pabbly Connect. So open this trigger window and here choose the application name as OfficeRnD. Select the trigger event as new company. Now here we can see a webhook URL and some instructions. You can follow these instructions to set up the webhook in your OfficeRnD account. So I'm just going to copy this webhook URL from here and I'll just take you to my OfficeRnD account. And on the left hand side, we can find settings option. Click on it. And here we have to simply click on developer tools and click on webhooks. And here we are going to add a new endpoint. For that, click on this button, add endpoint. Now here we have to paste the webhook URL that we have copied from Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to give the description. So let us give it as Pabbly integration. I'm just giving a random name. You can just give the name as per your requirement. Now here we have to select events to send. So we want to capture the responses whenever a new company is created. So select the event as company created. Just make it check and click on add. Webhook successfully saved. Okay, and now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see that it is waiting for the webhook response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission. It means we have to create a new company in our OfficeRnD account. So let's move to OfficeRnD account once again. And here we will be moving to community and click on companies. And here we are going to add a new company. So click on add company button. And here we are going to enter the details of the company. So here I have entered the details, name of the company as demo company. Email address as demo@pabblytunes.com, URL as www.pabbly.com. I don't have the Twitter account right now, so I'm just leaving this field as blank. If you want to give some more information about the company, you can just add it over here. Start date as 25th of October 2022. If you want to add some address details, you can just add it over here. And if you want to add the billing details also, you can just add billing details over here. And now let's click on add. Team added successfully. So here we can see a new company is created named as demo company. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect and here we can see within some seconds the response will be captured. Okay, and the response is received over here. We can find the event type as company created. Here we can find the data object URL and when we scroll down we can find the name of the company and even the email address of the company is also captured. So all the details related to the company are captured over here. So now we want to inform our team on Slack channel that a new company is created in our OfficeRnD account. For that we need to integrate Slack with Pabbly Connect. So scroll down, come to this action window and here choose the application name as Slack. Select the action event as send channel message. Click on connect, click on add new connection and click on connect with Slack. Now here it is asking for the token type. Enter the token type as either user or bot. Know more about the Slack tokens over here. So I'm just going to click on this hyperlink and here we are redirected on our Pabbly forum. So you can find the permission access for the user as well as for the bot. You can just have a read, you can select it as per your requirement. So in my case, I'm giving the token type as user and now let's click on save. Now it is requesting permission to access Pabbly Slack workspace. So let's scroll down and click on allow to give away the permissions over here. Authorization successful and now the Slack account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here it is asking for the channel, on which channel you want to send the message. So here I'll just take you to my Slack account where I have already created some channels. So here you can see my channel names. And if you want to create a new channel, simply click on this button plus sign, add channel, click on create a channel. You can give a name to the channel, its description can be mentioned over here, and you can just make it as private or public. Click on create and a new channel will get created. In the same way, I have already created a channel name OfficeRnD. So I want all the messages to be delivered to my team on this particular channel. So I have to select the same channel name over here in Pabbly Connect. So let us find the same channel name, that is OfficeRnD. Now here it is asking for the message. What is the message you want to send on the Slack channel? So here I want the message to be, hello team, new company created. And I want to specify the details also. So let us give the details. Name. So here we are going to map the details that we have already received from our trigger response. And these are the details that we have received. So here we'll be mapping the company name and URL and other details. Okay. So for mapping, simply click it over here, come to the trigger response, and from the drop down, we are going to find the company name. Okay. And in the same way, let us give the company URL also and company email address. So first let us give the email address. Again, map it from the trigger response. So this was the email address of the company, and let us map the company URL also. And I'll just make this C capital. Okay, and here we'll be mapping the company URL that we have got from our trigger response. So here we have added a message, hello team, new company created, details, company name as this, email address, and the company URL. Now, if you want to specify some image, you can just give the image URL over here, and even the image alt text can be mentioned over here. Now, if you want to specify some bot name, you can just give it over here. Even the bot icon can be given. Auto expand links as true in my case. You can just select it as per your requirement. Link username and channel names true. Reply broadcast as false. And now let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the response is received. It means the message is sent to the team on the Slack channel. Let's check it. And here we can find a new message. Hello team, new company created, details, company name as demo company, company email address, and here we have got the company URL also. So in this way, we can see that our integration is working fine and we have set up a correct automation. Okay, let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, now we have set up an automation. This is a one-time process. Next time, whenever you're going to create a new company in your OfficeRnD account, automatically your team will get a Slack notification. So now let us check in real time that whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that, I'll just move to my OfficeRnD account once again. And let's move to the community and companies section. And here we are going to add a new company. So let's give the company name as sample company. I'm just giving a random name. Email address as sample@pabblytudes.com. Let's add the email address as www.pabbly.com. And I'm not adding the address and the billing details. And now let's click on add. Team added successfully. Now let us check our Slack channel. Okay, and instantly we have got a new message. Hello team, new company created, details, company name as sample name. Okay, here we have got the email address of the company and the company URL. So in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And now I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between OfficeRnD and Pabbly Connect so that whenever a new company is created, automatically all the company details are captured in Pabbly Connect. And then we have shared the same company details with our team on Slack channel. And in this way, we have learned that how we can get Slack notification for new OfficeRnD companies using Pabbly Connect.
So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case you have any queries, you can just post your queries at Pabbly Forum. Our team will surely get back to you. This is our Pabbly Connect website. And to know the latest updates and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is pabbly.connect. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is attached in the description box. You can clone this workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.